pliers, loop turner, pom-pom, super glue, and scissors. 1 focal bead, 3 of those, 3 of these, 3 of those, 2 of those, 2 of those, 1 of those, 2 of those. How you put it on, what its pattern is. Struggling to put it on, but that's how you do it. This is the beginning on how you tie it. Again, you tie it like this times 4 or 5. Here I am showing you again. Made it a little smaller, and then you do this like the balloon way 4 or 5 times again. Then you cut it after all that. Then you grab your super glue, put it on, and pull it through that white bead just like so. And the